Hello friends, welcome to Learn Photoshop. In some previous videos, we have seen how to select image by using different tools. If you want to watch previous video, then link is given in description box. If you like the videos, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Now, today let us start with the very interesting technique of Photoshop masking. For that you have at least 2 images and at most you can use a number of images, but let us start from 2 images. Click on file, click on open. You can browse image from your local computer. Browse the image where you store the images. Here we need now 2 images, at least 2 images. Select the image with the help of Ctrl key. Click on open. Now these 2 images are open. Let us drag it. Here is the one image and here is the another image. Okay. Now this is your logic, which image you want on the top and which image on the bottom. Here we want this image on the top and this image on the bottom. Then let us arrange it. Click on this image. We don't want full screen. Click on restore. Now right click here and go to the duplicate. Click OK and close the original image. Go to the layer palette, double click on background, convert to layer 0, OK. Click on the another image and just by using this move tool, drag the image over the background image. Arrange this image. OK. Go to the original image and close the image. Now here we want to create a mask. Go to layer palette, click on the top layer and go to the bottom of the layer palette and click on add layer mask. Then here it should be like this, black color on the top and white color on the bottom. Then go to gradient tool and here on the top of the your screen property bar is appear. Click there and choose the foreground to transparent. Then click on image and slightly drag the mouse. You have to carefully drag the mouse slowly. Like this. If you don't want like this, then again undo and drag it properly. Like this. Suppose we want to remove this portion. Just drag it slowly. Little bit remove this portion again. Okay, like this you can easily merge the 2 images. Now suppose we off this layer. This is bottom image, this is top image. Okay, like this we can simply merge the image by using masking tool. Okay, you have to keep practicing. Here we use linear gradient. In next video we will see radial gradient. Okay, thank you for watching the video.